art friends! Today we are going to draw a cute envelope with a heart inside. I'm going to walk you step by step how to draw the envelope, the heart, and add a smiley face to the heart. And then I'm going to show you how I color it. I added some highlights for the reflection, and I also added a thin gray line along the envelope to give it some dimension. And finally, I added some details to the envelope itself. But you can feel free to add whatever you want on the envelope, maybe some more tiny hearts to make it your own creation. Now let's get started. Let's first start by drawing a straight line. So that's the bottom of the envelope. And then from each side, let's draw a straight line going up. To make sure that the two lines are the same height. And then we are going to draw a triangle at the bottom. The two angle lines should meet in the center, and I'm just gonna round it off a little bit and bring this line back down to this point right here. So that's the bottom flap of the envelope. And now I'm going to draw a heart popping out from the envelope. So I'm going to draw a curved line that goes up. Bring it back towards the center. So that's the half of the left half of the heart. And I'm going to draw the other half. This is a cute Valentine's letter there. And now from this point, I am going to draw a line that falls back towards here. And same on the other side. There. Now I'm going to draw a line that goes below the heart. So this is the top flap of the envelope, and I'll imagine that this line goes behind the flap, comes back out from here, and then draw another short angle line that goes behind and comes back out to connect to this point. Now I'm going to add more details to the face of the heart. So I'm going to draw a cute circle for the eye. And I'm going to leave a smaller circle within for the highlight and shade in the rest of the eye. And I'm going to draw a curved line on the other side. So this heart is winking. And then I'm going to add some lashes on this eye as well. And I'm going to draw a cute mouth. And I'm going to shade in the top part and color the tongue later with red. What a cute heart. So now let's color it. And that is how to draw a Valentine's envelope. I hope you enjoyed drawing this with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching and see you next time.